Hello, gentlemen investors and traders. With you System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. Let's look at each indicator in more detail a little further. If necessary, you can pause the video. We suggest that you consider all the parameters of the company in question more closely. Now let's compare the company's key fundamental indicators. Pfizer Inc., ticker PFE. The review was created using current data as of July 4, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company Pfizer Inc. belongs to the subcategory Pharma Holding. 18 organizations participate in the comparison. The overall result for the company is as follows: 5.5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 1 point. If you look broadly, within the US market in general, we can note that the average rating for the entire US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points, against a score of 5.5 for Pfizer Incorporated. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price, Pfizer Incorporated, and subcategory shares, we see that over 12 months the shares Pfizer Inc. showed a change of minus 10.1%. Against price changes in the subcategory minus 9.8%. Market capitalization of the company Pfizer Inc. valued at $144.23 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $2,653 billion. The company's book value is $89.78 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $451 billion. By comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we can see the following. Share Pfizer Incorporated in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 5.436%. The book value is 19.889%. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The organization's debt obligations amount to $61.924 billion. Debt to book value is 69% of equity. The company's debt rating, passable, 0 points. The company's market price to profit ratio is 18.3. with an average for the subcategory of 28.3. Evaluation of the company's market price to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $7,864 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $17,554 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 2.3. The average in the subcategory is 4.3. Evaluation of the stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $62,440 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $96.9 billion. Assessment of the expected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The sales margin is 12.6%, with an average of 15% in the subcategory. Profitability assessment compared to indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in terms of personnel in the subcategory is 9.15%. This is 68% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $1,781,000, while for the subcategory it is $2,999,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee is $97,100. Average in the subcategory, $105,800. Evaluation of profit per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The company's sales per employee are $771,000. Subcategory, $705,000. Sales volume per employee compared to companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The number of shares shorted is 1.9%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 1%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 69% for the company Pfizer Inc., whereas for the subcategory this level is approximately 52%. The company's actual stock valuation is around $25.39. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $28.12. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the reference evaluation system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the stock valuation Pfizer Inc. Information and reference system Guru.Markets, a decision is made. Do not open the order, as the video is an overview. A huge thank you to the audience for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.